Rain falls like blood from a weary soul. It's not the light, but where it'll find you roll. Just like the wind that takes my mind away. In this world, oh, I can't stay. Breaks and I goes in the night. It's in the dark that I begin to fight. No reason found, just drifting in the storm. Lost in thoughts that leave me torn. Where does it go when it pours so red? Where do these dreams and visions tread? I'm just a hostage to these winds that blow, to a place where I shouldn't go. Clouds collide in a sky so bleak. Waves of pain, every word I speak. No rhyme or reason, just shadows in my head. Can't escape the things I've said. Lightning streaks like scribbles in the air, drawn with anguish, drawn with flare. In the chaos find some odd delight, in the rain's unending flight. Where does it go when it pours so red? Where do these dreams and visions tread? I'm just a hostage to these winds that blow, to a place where I shouldn't go. Where I shouldn't go. Where does it go when it pours so red? Where do these dreams and visions tread? I'm just a hostage to these winds that blow, to a place where I shouldn't go.